And here I have the Gogonova cordless rotary tool. This is a 4-volt. Comes with the lithium-ion battery. I got this as a present. But also, thanks a lot to Gogonova for sending this out to review. Very cool, very compact, and with tons of power. So let's just turn it on right here. You can hear that's level 1, level 2, and level 3. So this thing is zooming. Tons of power. You charge it right back here, so you do get the USB-C plug-in right here. And that's where you're going to plug that in. Comes with the directions and manual. Anything you need to know. But the 3 speeds, 5,000 RPM, 12,000 RPM, and then a whopping 18,000 RPM. Comes with 43 pieces and accessories. Very easy to use and attach. So you've got some grinding bits right here. And like I said, this case is awesome just to have everything together. Grinding bits here, some diamond bits here. I mean, there's so many different things you can do with this. Then you've got this piece right here, which is going to use all these little sanding tools, little drum sanders, a few different grits, and a number of them, as well as you got a wire brush right here as well. But these are very easy to connect and use. You've got your button right here that will press. You'll stick this right in the, actually unscrew it a little bit, stick this right in the top and tighten it. And actually, I don't have a screwdriver with me, but once you put these sanding drums on here, you want to actually tighten that, because that expands that rubber right there, that rubber sleeve, and then it will pinch that sanding drum on there. So let's actually attach something else that you can actually see right here. We'll press and hold this button down, then we'll tighten that down, and let's go to level 1. And you can see right there, let's get on this box. Level 2. There you go, just taking out chunks of cardboard with this wire, this rotary wire. But yeah, this thing is tons of power. You can do so much stuff with this. Grinding, sharpening blades, sharpening knives, different things like that. Let's just to be curious, let's pull this off right here. Let's take out this grinding blade, this grinding wheel right here, and just if you wanted to sharpen a razor blade, like that. Oh yeah, this thing works great. Perfect. Be able to sharpen blades in no time, shine up objects. You can see what I'm doing there. So yeah, what a great rotary tool, very compact and handheld. Comes in a few different colors, so if you don't want pink, but this is gonna be for somebody, so this is. But that is the Gogonova. So thanks again for them sending this out to review. Very compact, very mobile, easy to charge, pretty much everything you're gonna need. And comes with 43 pieces of accessories right in this perfect. And also forgot to tell you about this right here. This has actually rotary or sanding discs. So you got cutting wheels and sanding discs. Let's see, where's the sanding? Sanding discs are right here, different grits. But then they also have these cutting wheels as well. But that's where you'll use this attachment right here, and you'll just put it right on the end and zip and cut through something. But very easy little storage container right there, and that goes right back in there just like that. If you're in the need of a rotary tool, this is it, and I highly recommend. Definitely go grab one of these.